On this slide, I have some Vue resources. The first one, Vue Docs. It is the main Vue website, contains comprehensive documentation, including examples, books, and reference material. This is the best place to start learning Vue. The next one, Vue GitHub repo. The Vue code itself. This is where you can report issues or contribute directly to the Vue codebase. Studying the Vue source code it can help you better understand how the framework works and write better code. The next, Vue forum. This is the official forum for getting help with Vue. The next one, Vue CLI docs. Documentation of the Vue CLI. This contains information on customizing and extending the output you are generating via the CLI. The next resource, Nuxt.js. Nuxt.js is a server-side Vue framework with some architectural opinions that can be useful to creating maintainable applications, even if you don't use any of the server-side rendering features it provides. This site provides detailed documentation on using Nuxt.js. The next source, Vue Mastery. It is a paid education platform that specializes in Vue, including some free lessons. And the last one, a Vue School, another paid education platform specializing in Vue. And also, I would like to recommend to use MDN, which I use for these particular slides.